The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government at 9:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This poison going around has been found to be an attack on the United States. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government at 1:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The attacker has been found to be Syria from an unknown anti-American group. This is a very dangerous situation and all cakes have been burnt and cake production sites have been closed. There is no real danger as of for now. Please tune to radio stations for more information. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Long Island until 7:30 p.m. tonight. At 12:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a line of storms capable of producing winds up to 70 miles per hour was spotted moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Mobile homes will be damaged. Damage to roofs are expected. Damage to trees are likely. Cars may be hit by debris. This storm has a history of producing winds up to 100 miles per hour. To be safe, move to the center of your home or basement and have food and water and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with you. Please stay tuned on this situation. A civil danger warning has been issued for Long Island until further notice. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the New York government at 5:08 Eastern Daylight Time. Syrian bombers have bombed New York City and have caused massive damage. Please seek shelter now and tune to FM radio for more information.
Event type is civil danger. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Canadian government. At 3:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Syrian bombers have been spotted moving towards this area and massive damage is expected to happen just like in New York City in the United States. At this time you have 30 minutes to get food and water to last 14 days and to get to a shelter. Please tune to radio station to stay informed.
Le type d'événement est urgence civile. Le message suivant a été envoyé à la demande du gouvernement canadien. À 15h46 heure avancée de l'Est, les bombardiers syriens près de cette zone abritent rapidement.